Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline. Nice silver exterior with a black leather interior. A nice touching points here, like the center audio system, blind spot warning system, 360-degree camera, nice leg space here at the back, head space as well. Seats do slide forward and back. Got rear ventilation, a USB and 12-volt outlet. Here's a quick image of the front, navigation, and of course, gigantic panoramic sunroof. Coming around here to the trunk, you do have power tailgate. Nice flat floor at the back here. Power button right there with a 60-40 split. As we make our way around to the driver's side here, you will see the memory seating, power adjustability, and lumbar support. Once again, Fender audio system. There are window switches, light switch. Here's a quick image of the steering wheel. Radar cruise control, of course. Click that button there, shows us that we have lane assist, side assist, rear traffic alert, and front assist. Currently sitting at 95,598 kilometers. Coming over the side here, you'll have a couple of different media and Bluetooth buttons. That's our navigation system. There's a backup camera, 360 cam, and you have a couple of different views over here as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Coming on down here, you will see that you have heated steering wheel and heated seat. Got dual climate control here, automatic as well. Down low you have two USBs and auxiliary and 12-volt. Come around over here, push the start, electronic parking brake, engine auto on and off. It's 360 camera view right there. You have your mode button as well. We'll take you through your Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom. Nice storage mount there in the glove box. And there are your sunroof and light controls. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. We look forward to giving you a hand with this vehicle. Please contact us with any questions you may have. Take care.